What's up car enthusiasts, and welcome back to Car Trend, the channel where we bring you the perfect mix of classic icons and modern innovation. Today we've got something that blends the best of both worlds, the Ford Bronco Restomod 4X4 2026. This isn't just another SUV, it's a living legend reimagined for the future. Ford has taken one of its most iconic off-roaders and rebuilt it with modern engineering, cutting-edge design, and power that's ready to dominate any terrain. If you're into vehicles that honor their roots while pushing boundaries, the 2026 Bronco Restomod is the ultimate machine you need to see. The Ford Bronco has always stood as a symbol of freedom, adventure, and ruggedness. From the early generations that conquered trails and captured the hearts of adventurers, to the modern revival, this SUV has a heritage few vehicles can match. The 2026 Restomod version captures that same DNA but infuses it with new life. From the outside, you'll notice its boxy, retro-inspired design, complete with wide fenders, squared edges, and an aggressive stance. But this isn't a carbon copy of the past, it's been enhanced with futuristic LED lighting, redefined aerodynamics, and modern detailing that makes it look tough yet refined. Beneath that classic-inspired exterior lies pure power. The 2026 Bronco Restomod packs a roaring V8 engine that delivers an adrenaline-pumping performance worthy of the Bronco name. For those who crave efficiency without losing thrills, some versions come equipped with hybrid technology, adding instant torque while maintaining eco-conscious credentials. Combine that with next-gen suspension, advanced four-wheel drive systems, and locking differentials, and you have a beast that can handle rock crawling, dune bashing, and highway cruising with ease. It's an SUV designed to be as versatile as it is powerful. Step inside and you'll see how Ford has elevated the Bronco's interior for a new era. While it still carries design cues from its heritage, like bold, simple lines and rugged touches, it now comes wrapped in modern luxury. You'll find leather-trimmed seats with heritage stitching, customizable digital displays, and an infotainment system loaded with the latest features. Add in off-road performance tracking, a premium sound system, and smart connectivity options, and you've got a cabin that feels both nostalgic and futuristic. It's built to handle mud, dirt, and long trails, but also to keep you comfortable and connected every mile of the way. What makes the Bronco Restomod 4X4 2026 stand out is its ability to strike balance. Many vehicles either lean too heavily on nostalgia or go all in on futuristic designs, but this Bronco manages to bring both worlds together seamlessly. You can feel the spirit of the first-generation Bronco, but you also experience the innovations of 2026 in every drive. It's an SUV for collectors who appreciate heritage, for off-road enthusiasts who crave capability, and for everyday drivers who want a statement piece with genuine power behind it. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an icon reimagined. It speaks to the past while carving a path for the future. The Ford Bronco Restomod 4X4 2026 is proof that legends never die. They evolve, becoming stronger, smarter, and more exciting with every generation. Whether you're hitting trails, turning heads in the city, or preserving it as a collector's gem, this Bronco has the versatility and presence to stand out anywhere. So the question is, would you take the 2026 Bronco Restomod out into the wild or keep it polished as a showpiece? Either way, it's a masterpiece that blends history with progress. Thanks for tuning into Car Trend. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Ford Bronco Restomod 4X4 2026, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the hottest car content. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. What's your favorite part about this Restomod Bronco? Stay tuned, because here at Car Trend, we've always got more legends reborn just for you.